What's up, everybody? It's Matt Stevens here at Carolina Auto Direct, and today we've got a beautiful 2022 C8 Corvette painted in Accelerate yellow metallic. We've also got the Corvette Racing graphics package. This car is equipped with the Z51 performance package, so you're getting retuned suspension, upgraded brakes, a couple of appearance items. It is a convertible, so you have the power top. And check out this interior. This is a striking, beautiful interior. It is a 3LT, so you've got your Bose audio, you've got your leather covered dash, GT2 bucket seats. And we're back here at the back of the car. It is equipped with a Paragon exhaust system. This exhaust sounds absolutely beautiful. Let's hop in and take it for a ride.